Miko the monkey was known throughout the great green forest for his bright eyes and even brighter ideas.
It's a shame we can't reach those star fruit.
The only problem was the river home to Kala, the enormous, grumpy crocodile.
Kala is vain and easily flattered. Maybe I can use that.
Oh, Kala, Lord of the River, I have a very serious question for you.
What is it, cheeky monkey? Can't you see I'm napping?
It's a matter of the very highest importance. The Monkey King needs to know who the strongest ruler of the forest is, the monkeys or the crocodiles.
The crocodiles, of course. Gather, my family.
A long line of crocodiles stretched across the water, forming a bumpy, scaly bridge.
Wow, brilliant! Look at that!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10!
Thank you for the wonderful bridge, Kala. Now the king knows you are the most helpful crocodiles.
Helpful? But the Count?
Miko enjoyed his well-earned, delicious star fruit, knowing that a clever mind is often better than a quick jump.